Today we're going to set up the walkthrough feature. It's a fact, people judge books by their covers. Since you can't expect to change people, the next best option is to change your app. With our North Park update that came out, you can now quickly add a well-designed and branded walkthrough to your application. In this scenario, you just got a user to download your app and it's time to turn them into a paying or engaging customer. This first impression is a make it or break it moment where you need to be sure you are setting your app users up for success and understanding what the key purpose of your app is and why your app needs certain permissions from their device. Let's go ahead and get started. So you can find the walkthrough setting under create and then build and under app onboarding. It's the very first thing. So I'm going to go ahead here and press get started. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to hit save. So in terms of the design of the walkthrough, the branding logo and other design settings are pulled from the create design step. You can, however, override these by using the custom design option here. First up is the welcome screen. Here you can customize the welcome message, branding logo, and short introduction. In terms of the message length, you do have 75 characters, so just remember to keep it short and sweet. Next is the push notification opt-in. The goal here is to best articulate how your users will benefit from your app by accepting push notifications. If you are known to provide useful updates throughout the week or perhaps flash sales or deals, this is the first place to let your users know. If you have done this correctly, this brief explanation for the push notifications can exponentially increase the percentage of users who accept. You can also adjust the phone graphic for the custom design page, giving you another option to let your brand speak as well. So the nice part is that this little phone here with the little like Wi-Fi symbols on the side, you can modify that there. You can modify the headline and the message. Again, you only have 75 characters in the message, but this is a really great area to be able to modify this push notification prompt. Next is the location services opt-in. There are a few reasons why your application may need location services, whether it's for finding their location for food ordering delivery, seeing their position to nearby points of interest in the Around Us feature, or being able to direct location-specific and geofencing-specific notifications. You and your users can benefit greatly for sharing their location. This screen is to educate your users so they stress less about providing you with this valuable data. Again, you can also modify this location graphic in the custom design page to let your brand speak for itself, so you don't have to use that little point of interest with the map below it. So again, you have 75 characters for the message. This is pretty integral. I will say this, in regards to this particular page, make sure it speaks to your brand in the message center. So for example, if I'm building an application, and in this case it's for a school, but if I say get nearby information and local offers, I'm not going to have a lot of people who even hit allow. I'm going to have a lot of people go not allow. Why would I want to do that? So with that being said, make sure you modify your message brand to something that honestly makes sense to what you're doing. If you're a soccer team, maybe it's get live score updates and information on the team's current winning streak. If it's a farmer's market, it's like get nearby information, local offers would work in that sense. So please make sure to modify these particular fields. We've put general language in there that generally should suffice, but again, please modify it completely towards your brand. Now, the sign-up request is an optional screen. It will only be available if you have sign-up enabled, which we recommend that you pair these in tandem. Once enabled, this screen helps educate your new users on the benefits of creating an account. In doing so, you'll be able to grab priceless user data straight from your app. Let's take a look at what that looks like. So I'm going to go back in to our sign up login and I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to hit the save button. I'm going to go back to walkthrough and I'm going to scroll all the way down to sign up request. And now you'll see what that page looks like here. So again, modify the headline. The message is 75 characters. So short, sweet, simple. That's what you want to do. And you definitely want to give them a reason why they want to become a member or why they want to sign in or why they want to give you that particular information. The walkthrough feature is very powerful and it's a great way to show users a really nice experience for the first time they see your application. It also works really well in tandem with the sign up login feature. Thank you so much for watching.